For the camera station, which isn't a particularly separate station, but it's often covered by one person, you're going to come in, you're going to turn on your power switch here. There's a little button over here that you flick like that to go on. And then you can open this up and see what you're looking at. We'll take this off the cover, and we have a basic view of the stage. Now what you want to do is, so if you see on the stage, the screen is not down, the projector is not down, we want to display something. So we're going to look over here and turn on our power screen. We're going to put our screen down, and that will automatically bring the screen down. As the screen is coming down, we're going to use our Panasonic projector to turn on the projector. And we don't have to know it right now, but these are the two boxes that manage what goes to the screen, what goes to the live stream, and what goes to the internet. That's how you get something on the screen.
To control the camera, you have two main controls. You have the focus and you have the zoom. So you turn this one this way to the right to zoom in and to the left to zoom out. You turn this one to the left to focus and to the right to focus. You're going to want to use this one very sparingly, only if you are having a problem with the focusing. For most of the time, you should be able to keep it in one place, and because the stage is at a certain distance away, you'll never need to adjust it, for the most part. To raise the camera up and down, you loosen this knob, this one in the center, until you can lift it with just a little bit of resistance. You can move back and forth and lift the camera up and down. Okay. And when you are done, you twist this back in so the camera does not drift while you're away. And that is how you control the camera.